To fix Afterpay not working on Doordash, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Doordash app installed on your device. Open the App Store, search for Doordash, and update the app if necessary. Next, check if Afterpay is available in your area. Afterpay may not be available in all locations, so it is essential to verify its availability. You can do this by opening the Doordash app, selecting your location, and checking the payment options. If Afterpay is available, try restarting the Doordash app. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve the issue. Close the app, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. Then, try to use Afterpay as a payment method. If the issue persists, check your Afterpay account. Ensure that your account is active, and you have sufficient funds to make a purchase. You can do this by logging into your Afterpay account and verifying your account status. Another step is to check for any technical issues with Afterpay. You can do this by visiting the Afterpay website and looking for any service alerts or notifications. If there are any technical issues, wait for some time and try again later. Additionally, ensure that your payment method is linked correctly to your Afterpay account. You can do this by logging into your Afterpay account and verifying your linked payment methods. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Doordash app. This will remove any corrupted files and reset the app to its default settings. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, contact Doordash customer support or Afterpay customer support for further assistance. They will be able to provide you with more detailed guidance and help you resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Afterpay not working on Doordash. Remember to always check for updates, verify your account status, and ensure that your payment method is linked correctly to avoid any issues in the future.